thank you to you for a couple things. First of all, you've been a 20-year employee of GCISD. That is awesome. And in those 20 years, you come to work every single day with a smile on your face and a great attitude. And, as someone who supervises others, I can tell you that it's really important to have a positive attitude about your work in every single job that we have here in GCISD. And because of the way that you've done your work for the last 20 years, we're here to be able to announce that you are the Employee of the Year this year.
I'm happy to work at GCISD.
He comes to work every day. He comes to work with a good attitude. He does his work diligently. There's no follow-up on him, and he's an asset to our department.